In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed video in Notion. By the end, you'll be able to add a playable video to your Notion page in just a few clicks and make sure it looks great with simple sizing adjustments. First, open the Notion website in your browser. Once you're in, head to the page where you want the video to appear. This could be a project hub, a documentation page, or a personal note, anywhere you'd like the video to live. Having your target page open keeps things organized and ensures the embed lands exactly where you intend. Now, place your cursor on the page where you want the video to show up. You're going to use Notion's / command to add an embed block. Type /, then the word embed. You'll see an option labeled embed. Click that to insert the embed block. This command is a quick way to find blocks without digging through menus, and it works anywhere on the page. With the embed block ready, paste the video link into the field that appears. Notion supports links from popular platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, and Loom, among others. Make sure you're using a direct video page URL, not an embed code or a private link that requires permission. If the preview doesn't load, double-check that the link opens normally in a regular browser tab. If it does, it should embed in Notion as well. After pasting the URL, click Embed Link. Notion will fetch a preview, and in a moment, the video player will appear right on your page. You'll be able to play it, scrub through, and interact with it just like you would on the original site, all without leaving Notion. Finally, adjust the size of the video to fit your layout. Hover over the embed and use the drag handles on the sides to make it wider or narrower. This is especially helpful if you're working in a multi-column layout or want the video to stand out as a main focal point. If your page is set to full width, widening the video can give it a more immersive feel. If not, keeping it moderate can help maintain a clean, readable page. That's it. Open Notion, go to your page, add the embed block with the / command, paste the video URL, click Embed Link and fine-tune the size. With this simple workflow, you can bring tutorials, updates, and presentations directly into your Notion workspace, keeping everything in one place and easy to access.